buying books is something I have been always doing every month. But due to sudden lockdown which happened in March 2020, everything suddenly changed. And it was at that point of time I had taken a pledge to complete reading many of the unread books that were on my shelf. I have already made separate videos on the books I read during quarantine as well as my bookshelf too. I will put the link in the description section below of those videos as well as in the I button over here. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetham. In today's video, I will showcase you 6 new books which I did buy, and it was my recent book haul. The books arrived in somewhere between 15th and 28th June. Today it is the 2nd of July. Today I thought to make a video on all the 6 new books that I bought once the online delivery service was opened, and all these books were bought from Flipkart. The books that I am mentioning in this particular video, I will put the link in the description section below so that if you want to buy them, then do press the link given in the description section below so that I get a small percentage as commission if you buy the books from the link I have mentioned in the description section below. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. Book that I bought, and I am very proud of it, is this one. Where Will Man Take Us? The Bold Story of Man Technology is Creating by Atul Jalan. This book was published in 2019. This book is published by Penguin and this is priced at rupees 399. In this particular book, Atul Jalan seamlessly talks about artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing and genetics. He also talks about the changes that technology has brought and its impact on human love, ethics, morality, and due to which the changes have been caused by man as a species to the entire human society. Now, few months back, I had made a video on Harari's book, Time by Harari. I will put the link over here as well as in the description section below. Please watch it. While reading that book, it was some of the concept which intrigued me so much that I wanted to read more on this particular subject, particularly about artificial intelligence and where we human beings as species are heading towards. As we can see, the corona pandemic has already changed the entire dynamics of the universe. So these kind of books, I believe, is highly relevant in today's day and age. And my God, I have already completed about 115 pages of this book. This book gives so much information, knowledge, and so many new things you get to know after reading this book. I will say that this book is again a kind of knowledge hub. I am not a science student, and there are terms which I found really new. I had to Google them to find out the meanings and etc. But the difference between this book and Harari's book was that Harari's book, though I have mentioned it also in my books for beginners video, I will say the language is little difficult. This book, the English language that is used, is extremely easy. I believe that even a 15-16-year-old can easily understand what has been stated by Atul Jalan in this particular book. So if you are having some time in your hand, then do try to read this particular book. I'm sure you won't be disappointed with by this particular recommendation of the book Where Will Man Take Us by Atul Jalan. What I bought is again about a very popular character. I'm sure most of you know about it. The particular book in question is this one, Picture Imperfect and Other Byomkesh Bakshi Mysteries by Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay. Now, this is the translation of the original Bengali book, and this book has got 6 popular story of this man, Byomkesh Bakshi, and how Byomkesh Bakshi solved those cases. If you remember, in March, Doordarshan was showing some of the serials that were telecasted in 80s, late 80s and 90s. Byomkesh Bakshi happens to be one of them. And Byomkesh Bakshi, let me tell you, is one of my favorite childhood character. So while I was again watching those episodes in Doordarshan, I'm sure those are also available in YouTube now, I wanted to read more about Byomkesh Bakshi. In the description section below, I will also put the link of the original Bengali book as well as this particular book. This book has got 6 stories by Byomkesh Bakshi. This book is published by Penguin and this is priced at rupees 299 and this was published in 1999. This is a very good translation of the original book, and you know, if you read this Byomkesh Bakshi, you will get a smell of the old Calcutta charm in the book. The description is so beautifully done, and I must also say that this book is also a beautiful piece of translation from original Bangla book. I find it little difficulty and time to read Bengali books, so I always search out for translated version. So this book happens to solve my problem, and again, if you are a seeker for detective stories by Indian detectives, then let me tell you, Byomkesh Bakshi should top your chart. So this is the second book that I bought in my book haul. The next book that I bought, I was longing for a very long time to get this book. The book in question is Milk Teeth by Amrita Mahale. Now, this particular book, Milk Teeth by Amrita Mahale, has been the contender for JCB Prize for Literature in 2019. This book talks about Bombay of 80s and 90s, and this was enough for me to get hold of this particular book. Also, you will be amazed to get to know the educational qualification of the author. I was spellbound by it. And then I have heard a lot about this particular book, and for a very long time I was looking forward to read this book. So this time I got this book, Milk Teeth by Amrita Mahale, and very soon I'm beginning this particular book. Please mention in the comment section if you would like to watch a detailed review of this book, Milk Teeth by Amrita Mahale. The next book that I bought from my recent book haul is this one, Celestial Bodies by Jokha Alharthi. Now this book is the winner of the Man Booker International Prize of 2019. Does it require any further reference or recommendation why I got hold of this book? Now let me tell you the blurb. In a village of Al Afafi in Oman live 3 sisters. Maya marries after a heartbreak. Asma marries from a sense of duty. Kuala rejects all offer while waiting for her beloved, who was immigrated to Canada. Elegantly structured, Celestial Body is story of the history and people of modern Oman, told through one family's losses and love. I think this is enough why I got this particular book. This book again is priced at $4.99. This book was published by Simon and Fletcher, India. And I told you the reason why I got hold of this book. I will read this book soon, and I will come back with a blog review or a video review of this book soon in my platform. To check out my blog, do tune in to preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. Also, you can join my Facebook group, which is by the name Book Tales by Preetha, where we regularly discuss about books, about writers, about literature. You can follow me on my Instagram handle, which is Book Tales by Preetha. All the link of all my social media handle, including my Twitter handle and my blog handle, will be given in the description section below. बहुत हो गया खुद का वाहवाही करना. Now let's get back to the next book. Now the next book which I will show you, I'm sure people will just kill me that till now, being a voracious reader, I haven't read this book. The book in question is this one, Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. Now all the booktube channel, all the bookstagrammers rave about this particular book. Even the ones who do not read books regularly have read this book, but I haven't read it. So I thought, why not get hold of this particular book? Train to Pakistan is a very popular book. It talks about a particular train which comes, I guess, from Lahore to Pakistan, carrying the bodies of Sikhs into a village called Manno Majra. And what is the after effect of a village which was not affected by partition, which was not affected by the independence of India, but changes that happen into a particular village after that particular train arises, is beautifully depicted in this particular book, Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. Well, I have not read this book, so let me read the book and I will come back with my feedback on this particular book in my social media handle. So do keep a check on my social media handle apart from my YouTube channel to get to know more about books and also about me. The last book that I bought is a Bengali book. So those of you who are not book readers of Bengali language can skip this particular part. The last book in question is Hieroglyphic Deshe by Anirban Ghosh. This book is a very talked about book among the Bengali book readers. I have seen many Bengali book readers, book grammars and booktubers raving about this particular book by Anirban Ghosh. This book was published, I guess, in 2018 or 2019, and this is priced at rupees 395. The publisher is Book Firm, and you know what? As I told you that I don't read Bengali books much, but this book I have already started. The language is extremely easy. Even those who can read basic Bengali language can read this particular book. Now, what is hieroglyph? Hieroglyph is the font in which Egyptians used to write. This book is a thriller. It talks about Egypt. It talks about the specialities of Egypt as a country, the pharaohs, the mummies, and all the things that is associated with Egypt, but told in a beautiful thriller story format. Also, the book has got some amazing pictures all over. All over the book, there are amazing pictures. The paper quality is extremely good, plus it is a hardcover, as you can see. Also, I will show you the first page of the book. As you can see, this is the pyramid. So, and this is the cover of the book. The first page, and here is the cover. So this had a very, very attractive, beautiful cover. This was the first reason for me to get the book. Secondly, it talks about Egypt. Thirdly, it is a very talked about book among the Bengali bookstagrammer community. Fourthly, the language is extremely, extremely easy. Even a nascent Bengali book reader like me can read this book, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Next, the book is a beautiful amalgamation of different pictures of different objects as well as artifacts that were associated with Egypt as a country. Also, what I have heard, that this particular author, who by profession is a doctor, used to write posts in Facebook initially about Egypt and his travel log. Later on, he published that into a book. Now, this is again a very interesting fact which culminated me to get hold of this particular book, Hieroglyphic Deshe. I want to do a detailed vlog post on this particular book. I have just started reading this particular book, so let me see if I can make a vlog post and talk in details about this particular book. So these were the 6 books that I bought recently in my recent book haul. All the books were bought from Flipkart. Obviously, I got the book within 5 to 7 days just after my ordering. And I would like to know in the comment section below, what are the books you got for yourself once the online book delivery service once again got started. I got hold of 6 books after a prolonged wait of 3 plus 2, 5 months, because I last bought the books in February, which was my birthday month, and then I got hold of this book in last week of June, so you can say July also. So after prolonged wait of so many months, I finally bought this book. I've already started reading some of them, and in my coming videos I will talk in details of some of the books. So whenever I make videos, these kind of sound comes. I just can't help it. I hope my voice is clear to you, and if you want to buy the books, just as I have said before, do see the link in the description section below. And next week I will be coming with a new video topic, and till then, tata and goodbye, and thank you for watching this video till the end, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Goodbye.